Hi guys, this is Rohan here from Autozeel.com. Today I'll be showcasing the product Sonax Clear View 1:100 Concentrate. This product is specially designed for windscreen, which is one of the most critical part of a car and one of the most ignored. People drive the vehicle on the road and there's so much of dust, grime, oils, which can get smeared onto the windscreen. During the day we may not notice it, but in the night we may. People tend to use products like just plain water itself or just use some shampoo or some detergent, but that is incorrect. It is always advisable to use a product which is specially designed only for windscreen. Sonax Clear View 1:100 Concentrate is designed specially for that purpose only, and it is safe for windscreen and even for your headlamp washer system as well. So let me showcase you the product first. So this is the bottle. This is a 250 ml bottle of Sonax Clear View 1:100 Concentrate. This thing has a dilution ratio of 1:100, which means for every 100 parts of water you just need to add 1 part. So if we have over here we have a 1.5 liter bottle, so we would only need 15 ml of product of Sonax itself. And this thing has a dosing chamber on top with markings. So let me show it to you. So you can see it has markings all across, so you will not be taking out incorrect product or having difficulty in getting the correct dilution ratio. So the best way of using it is simply open up this cap on top, gently squeeze the bottle. As such we get 15 ml, because right now I'm having a 1.5 liter bottle. I'll squeeze a 15 ml out of it. So gently press the bottle and you will see it to be slowly filling it up. So now we have 15 ml of concentrate in the dosing chamber. So the next step is, let's open up this bottle. Take this and simply pour it in. That's it. Some of the product may not come out, it's fine. And let's just close the bottle once again. Always remember to open this cap while you're pressing the bottle. So let's close this bottle over here and give it a gentle shake to mix up the product. There you go, it's ready. The best part of this product is you can use it with any type of water, be it soft water or hard water, because it has anti-lime effect which can help it to work with hard water as well. I am over here using AquaGuard water because I like to go the extra mile and get the best for my car. And another thing about this product is it is designed to work as quickly as possible, which means it will clean the windscreen in 2 swipes itself. 1 and 2, that's it. Because the longer the product stays on the windscreen, it hampers the vision of the driver. So this product is specially designed in that way. And the best part is this product is made in Germany. I hope it is. There we go. It's made in Germany. As a pretty good product. So let's pop open the bonnet of the car and pour this liquid in. So now let's just fill in the clear view concentrate that we have made over here in the 1.5 liter bottle. Just gently pour this. There we go. It's completely filled. There will be a bit amount of suds, not an issue. Let's just close this guy. So there you go. So now your wiper wash fluid has a proper windscreen cleaning fluid. You would always have clean windscreen whenever you use your windscreen wiper wash fluid. You can do one more thing, and you can keep this bottle in the car boot. So whenever you run out of this or you empty the water tank for wiper wash fluid, can always fill it in instantly. Few points to note: whenever you're diluting this Clearview concentrate, never go above 1:100, because if you go above 1:100, there are chances that it may smear the windscreen as well. And lastly, whenever you're taking out the product from the bottle, always gently squeeze it. So if we have to take out again 15 ml, so gently squeeze the bottle, don't like this, slowly, and comes out. Like we have over here almost 17 ml of product. So try this product out and share your feedback with us. Thank you so much.